award for dancing goes to Siddharth Dhawan and Disha Bhim. The Nightingale Award for singing goes to Aksharya Mishra and Neet Sachi Ahuja. The star performer for the Sports Award goes to Chinmay Goyal and Praki Mani. Dear parents, kindly put your hands together and give these young ones another round of applause, for they've worked hard throughout the year to excel in the various fields of education, be it in oratory skills, singing, dancing, sports, writing skills, as well as leaders in the making. And today, we award our young Rhinites with the Appreciation Awards title 2012 and 13. They are now ready for the official photograph. With them, we have our dear guest, Mr. N.T. Bhardwaj, our head mistress, Mrs. Pia Sharma, and Mrs. Shraddha, their class teacher.
The young Rhinites of the Montessori have worked diligently